Hey, all the good folks over at SweetLF, it says enjoy your sweet life. Anyway, they sent me over a shaver to get opened up and to try it out and give you my thoughts on it. So I waited a couple of days and got a little scruff going on. So I'm going to open it up, see what we have, get it charged up if it's needed, and then I'm going to try it out and see how well it works, and I'm going to let you know. Let's get it opened up and see what we got in the box. Ooh, that's pretty cool looking. Intelligent Shaver User Manual. Yep, got it. Now the user manual is there for you to look through if you need to, and never hurts to have it. Anyway, let's see what we have here. Besides the shaver, oh yeah, cool. I have lost these things. I have had these electric shavers before, so I kind of know what to expect. We'll make sure. I kind of know what to expect, but most all of them come with a little brush like this. I lose every one of them. Glad to have another one. Anyway, it comes with that, and it comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. So if you lose this cord, as long as you've got a USB-C charging cord, you're in good shape. So anyway, it has a little cover on it, as you can see right here. Just remove that. And when you get ready to clean these things out, there's a button right down here. Just push that, and that opens up. And then you can take your little brush and clean it out. It is rechargeable. Oh, it does have a little trimmer on the back too. Look at that. Little trimmer right there. Pretty lightweight, not heavy at all. Let's see if it's got any power. Look at that. We're in business. There's a power indicator right here. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100, and we are at 100, so we ought to be able to shave. I don't know. Let's go to the bathroom and try it out. All right. I know it's kind of weird shaving with your hat on, but hey, I've got to get me a haircut too. But anyway, let's try this out. It's really smooth up against my skin. Oh man, yeah, you can tell a big difference. That actually does a pretty good job. Now, these are ideal to have if you don't have time to use your standard razor, because there are times when I don't have time to shave like I should. And you can take them with you, shave, don't be distracted driver, but when you're sitting at a red light or something like that, you can use it real quick. Or if you're traveling. Perfect for that. And then you don't have to take a regular razor and your shaving cream. You just got one thing to remember to take. You get it charged up good, and you don't even have to take a charging cord. But with it being USB-C, odds are you're going to have a USB-C cord with you anyway. So, not a big deal at all. Hey, if you're enjoying watching me shave, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Seriously, if you're enjoying the video, consider hitting that thumbs up button and really consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Oh, by the way, there will be a link down in the description for you to order your own shaver if you are in the need of one. Or if you want to get one for somebody for Christmas. That's really lightweight, y'all. I mean, if you got a wild hair or something, you can just flip that thing up right there and take care of that. Very nice. That did a surprisingly close shave. I have I won't say the name brand, but it is a name brand shaver like this that I carry with me when I'm traveling. And to be quite honest with you, this one shaves closer, and that's a name brand one. This seems to be a really good one. It's actually lighter weight too. Anyway, so if you're looking for a nice shaver, There you go, right there. That does a really. I am impressed. I didn't really think it would be that good, but that's almost as close as my regular razor. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.